Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Walmart register. To begin your transaction, simply touch the Start or Pay Now button on the screen. Next, you'll want to pick up each item and locate its barcode. Use either the handheld scanner, which is great for bulky items, or the flatbed scanner for smaller goods. After scanning, gently place your items into the bagging area. The system uses this to verify your purchase. When you have several of the same item, just scan one and then use the on-screen keypad to enter the total quantity, like 3 or 4. For fresh produce, you'll need to find the 4-digit PLU code, then type it into the system or search by item name. If you accidentally scan something twice or need to remove an item, simply touch the item on the screen and select the Remove Item option to correct it. Once all your items are scanned, the register will display your total. You'll then choose your payment method from the options presented on the screen. If you're paying with a credit or debit card, simply insert it into the card reader slot, usually located at the bottom right. Follow the prompts for your PIN or signature. For cash payments, insert your bills one by one into the bill acceptor and drop coins into the coin slot. After your payment is processed, the register will dispense any change you're owed and print your receipt. Make sure to collect both of these. Take a moment to ensure all your items are bagged correctly and that you haven't left anything behind. You've successfully completed your transaction. We hope this guide has made using the Walmart self-checkout register a breeze for your next shopping trip. Happy shopping!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.